In this video, you will learn how to turn on dark mode in ClickUp. Open ClickUp on your device, launch the ClickUp app on your desktop or mobile device, then log in with your web browser or account settings. Click on your profile avatar. In the bottom left hand corner or the top right hand corner on mobile, click on your profile avatar to open the settings menu. Select themes or dark mode. In the menu, find and click on themes or dark mode depending on your version of ClickUp. Choose the dark theme option. Select the dark theme from the available options. You'll see your workspace instantly switch to a darker colour scheme. Adjust additional settings. Once you've done that, you can tweak other visual preferences such as sidebar colour or contrast to personalise your experience. Save and enjoy your dark mode. Click save and close the settings menu. Your ClickUp workspace will stay in dark mode until you switch it back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.